Okay, and this is D&D from the Fishing Gardeners, and right now we're working on the inside of the Ford Transit. Remember, we bought this used Ford Transit cargo van, and right now Lee is lifting up the carpet, and we're just cleaning under all of this underneath, just debris underneath. This is actually, hold on, we got the helicopter above. Okay, so yes, so what we're doing is we're cleaning the inside up, and like I said, this is the original mat, which we will put the original mat back down, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a rug that we brought from Lowe's onto this floor. And this is the rug that we're going to put down. We got this rug from Lowe's. We just measured the van and had them cut this rug. So this rug for the floor, this carpet for the inside of the floor of the van was $45 at Lowe's. See, we're still cleaning on the inside. Get the back done. And we're just making sure there's nothing underneath there. As I said, this is a used van. So we're going to go ahead and clean it up to our par, you know, just to make sure. So we're lifting everything, cleaning everything. Yep, that's what we do. If we want to clean van, this is for Tranquility D&D's movable hotel. Okay. Okay, so we have the whole thing off the floor right now. That's what the floor looks like. Cleaning it up. So we're taking this right here, which was inside of the inside the vehicle, and we're going to mark it around like a puzzle, and we're going to cut just like that. That's the rug right there. Okay, so he's going ahead and he's drawing it, the outline of it, because you see this was the mat that was actually down there, and this is the rug that we're going to put down there on top of the mat. So the mat will be going back down, and the rug will be going on top of that for more cushion and more installation.
No.
Okay, and we went ahead and got the rug in there. So we put the piece that was at the bottom back in. He cut the rug, and he placed the rug in there. And now he's going to go ahead and take those panels off, and we're going to go ahead and tuck that rug underneath as much as possible, because we have little extras. And remember, when you're doing these projects, you rather have more to cut than not enough to cut, right? So you always want to leave extra, so that if you make any mistake or it's too long, you could easily cut that off. But have you made it too short, then of course there wouldn't be nothing left to cut off. Okay? All right. Okay, so we just finished, and got my little exercise mat right there. So something just to kneel on. And this is the finished results. We put the rug in. So today we did side step. Basically he did mostly. And then I helped with the rug. Okay, so we'll bring this project to an end. Hoping you're having a blissful day. Goodbye.